Today we got this old, it's a 73 or 74 3-horse Briggs and Stratton engine. The gas tank was rotted out. You know, it's wrong with all of them. So, there's my flashlight. So, I took some white distilled vinegar, put it in the gas tank. See, it's clean now. I got it from one of my dad's old friends. He's cleaned up his yard, and they had this thing. It was on an old log splitter. The guy had threw it in the dumpster. I guess he couldn't get it running or whatever. Well, here it is on this contraption. This is an old lawnmower deck off of a 1966 Seegers custom 4-speed. It's got bevel gears. So I just took, this engine had a clutch because it's a log chipper, and run a belt down there, and I put a hitch on it and some old casters, and I got me a pull behind lawnmower. Yeah, 3-horse is a little weak for it, but I'm on. Same guy's got some old 5-horse Briggs on a tiller. They're in good shape. The tanks aren't rotted, so I'm gonna go get them. You know, if the tanks ain't rotted on these engines, they'll run. So on this one, you can put the carburetor on first, then you can put the gas tank on. So we made some gaskets out of some cardstock. Don't recommend doing it, but I mean, it works fine doing it, but just it ain't completely right, but it works. Only downside is it's tacky. But actually, they were business cards, but you know, same difference. I'll get my potato fingers in there. Well, not really potato fingers, but now this bottom. I love Briggs and Stratton. I hate the carburetor bolts on them. I never was able to ever get them. They're hard to work on, the carburetors. Not just like clean them and everything. Oh, that's a piece of cake. Doing this right here. Installing them and taking them apart. It's tedious. Because hardly get to the darn screws. Especially with the gas tank on. I didn't even purposely build it with this style engine plate I had. That's the original engine plate it was on. I just took it off and welded these tabs on it. These are 3/8 bolts if anyone's wondering. You don't want to tighten them down. No. Be reasonable. Just snug it up. I mean, this thing, I looked in the cylinder, I can still see the cross hatching in it. It looks great, and it's a, like I said, a 73 or 74 Briggs. I think it's a 74. Round off. But anyways, now I gotta take these screws out. So you got these 3 screws in the top of your gas tank. Also, now go get its gasket. Good. How tight I get that? But the vinegar, like I said, clean these old tanks up. Now this one, I had beat out all the crud, but I wanted to go ahead and do it right. No, it's not crap. No. Bought the diaphragm pump and everything. I mean, I know it's already going to need a diaphragm and everything, but oh, what the heck? Oh, there we go. Started to get confused there, y'all. the bottom tank. Or the bottom mount bolt for the tank. I want to say I made it where I could. Keep going. Yeah, these things ain't that bad. Just the copper coat is sticking just in. We put on these old business cards. Camera's about to die. That's how long it takes some junky Chinese battery screwdriver. Only 7 minutes. There it went. See? I ain't got the breather or anything to it, or the vent tube. I lost the boot, but I got the vent tube, so it's fine. Yeah, it's kind of a nasty old gas tank. I ain't gonna hook up none of the throttle linkers or anything in this video. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Yes, so all goes right there. It goes to this bracket, which goes to the governor, which goes to here. So, before my camera goes dead, this would be the end of this video. Simple as that. Install a carburetor the same way on your 5-horse Briggs, 73 horse, maybe even some 2-horse, I ain't for sure. But thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. I guess I'll see y'all next time when this